can see here the Partner 4 Milltronics milling machine. This is the control panel. It houses the computer and the controls. You can see the Z feed for the spindle. The Y feed is housed inside the black box there, and the X feed is housed under the table. This is the main interface screen, and you can see here you've got all your functions accessible. So I've already loaded a file in here. It's a file that was generated in Mastercam. I've put in my offsets here, which tells the machine where the workpiece is in relation to the machine coordinates. And then once that's done, I just hit run, and my program's all ready to go. This controller has several features. We have independent spindle control, so I can stop the spindle vary its speed as I would like, which is very cool. Feed rates are controlled here. They're also able to be overridden here with our feed override. We have a pendant jog control here, and of course your program rerun settings. The computer is super robust. It's a good construction. It's a Mac motion system, and the keyboard is spill-proof, waterproof, and virtually indestructible, as it says right there. The mouse is great because it's really easy to keep clean. It's got a ball and functions inside of this box here. You can see here the automatic lubrication. Lubricates all the points on the machine. The machine has ball screws with very little backlash at all, as you would expect from ball screws that have been well maintained. The machine is equipped with a flood coolant system. The pump is in the foot of the machine and the outlet is here. This is a feature we've rarely used because we're doing mainly aluminum parts. So these are the servo motors that I installed. They're professionally installed with adapter plates. You can see here that I machined they're keyed into the original pulleys that came with the machine. So you can see, this is the finished part.
And we have a few other things here that we've recently put together. Making some chain wheels. That's our backing block